In December 2020 we were on the hard stand at the Reback Marina shipyard on Reback Island, and I realised that I needed a power adapter which included a Malaysian power plug, so I could plug other devices in parallel to plugging the boat into the shore power. So I purchased the relevant materials, which included 5 metres of 12mm power cable suitable for shore power, and a marine grade, and a Malaysian power socket with a switch, and I began to set it up to put it together, and here's a image of how I wanted to put that together. So I began by doing the electricals on the junction box or the power box. I realised I needed some kind of weatherproof container just in case it rained on the power point. This is not a biscuit container. This is my weatherproof plug, so I can take that off like that, and I can plug in my device, and when I've finished I don't need to pack it away in bad weather. I just put the lid on and do it up, and I've got my plug on either end, and I'm right. So then I went about connecting the female and male shore power adapter sockets, and yes, I do have a certificate in basic electronics, so I'm qualified in Australia anyway. And you'll see the power lead runs down to a what I'll call a Y junction. So power socket, female and male, for the shore power to the boat, and in between there is a socket so that I can plug in power tools, and then the socket to the main shore power board. So my 7-metre roller extension runs to and plugs into my Malaysian power box, and then runs off and plugs into other devices such as the air compressor and power tools. That's my setup, and it works really well, quite safe. The video was produced by myself, and that's the end of another exciting video of my shore power cable spliced power plug at Reback Marina shipyard, December 2020.